Vidya, I am studying 10th class in ZPHS Ganneruvaram. Today I am going to conduct an experiment determination of focal length of convex lens by using sun rays. Material required for this experiment: convex lens, V stand, screen and measuring scales. A convex lens, keep it on its V stand. The sun rays falls on the convex lens and passes through it and forms and the image on screen, and we adjust the screen. We observe a sharp image. The distance between screen and lens that gives us focal length of convex lens. Now I am measuring the distance. Distance we got focal length of lens is 20 centimeters. Thank you all. Did you understand this experiment?
Yes.
Okay, thank you all.
Ah.